People, this is Birdbeak. Welcome to the channel. And today I'm going to give you a quick update of things that have been happening lately in the media. But before we get into that, please like this video, subscribe and leave a comment. Your interaction helps this channel grow and it's much appreciated. It costs nothing and it really doesn't take that long. With that being said, let's get into the video. Popular dancehall entertainer or dancehall artist Quada caught eating the buff on camera. People, let's read this article together. Social media was sent into a frenzy after dancehall entertainer Quada was caught on camera in a compromising position. The former unruly camp artist, led by Popcorn, was seen in a video eating an uncooked meal in bed. People who write the article are easy, you know. It goes on to further state, it is uncertain how the video became public. Quada has not commented on the matter. Many social media users have voiced their opinion, calling the leak a publicity stunt. At him leak it to revive his career, one user commented. Another user stated that it was an unruly camp thing, pointing out that Popcorn brother was also caught in a compromising position in the past. Well, people, I don't have much to say about this. Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, let's get on to the next topic. I know I'm late to this topic, but I want to talk about Rosalee and the JCF. Here in this article from This Is a Blast, JCF posts viral video of naked TikToker allegedly taken during police operation. The Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is investigating allegations that its officers took and distributed nude photos and videos of a popular TikToker during a police operation at a private residence. Now people, I believe this was a complete violation of Rosalee's rights and she should take this to court and fight them, because this is completely unacceptable and members of the Justice Force should know better than this. In this article, you can see that Member of Parliament Anthony Hilton wants thorough probe of videotaping of woman during police raid. They're referring to Rosalee. Member of Parliament for St. Andrew Western Anthony Hilton is calling for a full investigation into the alleged videotaping and posting of a constituent, popularly known as Rosalee Hamilton, by the police. Now people, I want you to share your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below. I personally believe that Rosalee should be getting some form of compensation or some justice need to be served for Rosalee. Now, on a serious note, there have been reports coming from the UWI Mona campus of robberies and also rape that has been taking place. Here are a few articles that came out to discuss it. This is an ongoing problem at UWI Mona. People are being robbed at gunpoint and raped on campus and no one is speaking up about it. We are missing our 5 to 7 p.m. classes because we don't even feel safe to go to school. Even the security guards getting robbed. Now people, this situation looks very serious. Tell me what you think about it. Here another article states, concerns over campus security at the University of the West Indies Mona are mounting as students report a surge in reports of robberies, some occurring in broad daylight. Frustrated and fearful, many have taken to social media to express outrage over the incidents where individuals have been held at gunpoint or knife point and targeted at ABMs. Now people, this situation sounds very, very serious and very unsafe for all those involved. I believe there should be increased police presence in the area and try to clean up the streets from all of these dirty hooligans that are going around taking advantage of people that want to go about their lives and do what is right. This seems to be an ongoing problem that has been going on for quite some time now, but despite that, it seems now it's just been made aware to the public. Let me hear what you think about this in the comment section below. But anyways people, that's it for now. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Big up on yourself. Birdnation, stay sharp.